alert system. The National Weather Service has issued new tornado warnings for northeastern Ellis County and for central Kaufman County until 4:30. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near the community of Cottonwood, northeast of Ennis, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. This is a tornado warning for central Kaufman County and for northeastern Ellis County. Communities within the path of this storm include Cottonwood at 4 o'clock and 4 minutes from now, Grays Prairie 4:05, the city of Kaufman and Crandall by 4:10, Talty at 4:15, and Terrell by 4:25. Other locations impacted by this tornadic storm include Heartland, Tellico, Rosser, Post Oak, Bend City, and Oak Grove. Also sections of I-20.
I just started my channel 2 years ago.
Central Kaufman County and northeastern Ellis County.
200 EAS
4:30. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
That's some rare wording.
Storm watch on News Talk 820 WBAP. The time is 3.
Yes, very